How to remove text from any image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove text from any image using the Canva application. Also, before starting this video, I want to make sure that this particular feature is a Canva Pro feature. So that means you will require the Canva Pro or the Canva Premium membership in order to use this feature. So anyways, starting from here, you can see that I have this sample design ready for demonstration. So the first thing that I will be doing is adding an image with a text into this particular design. So to do that, I'm going to click onto the Elements tab in order to add a sample image. Now from here, I can see that this particular image has a cup with something written on it. So let me click onto this, and here you can see that this image has been added into my canvas. Now let me right click onto this and select the set image as background in order to utilize the complete space of the design. Now our goal is to remove this particular text that says one random act of kindness at a time. So we will be removing this particular text from this cup right here. So in order to do this, simply click onto the image, and then once this toolbar appears at the top of the screen, you need to click onto this edit button right here. Once you will click onto the edit button, you can see this particular interface over the left hand side. Now from here, simply choose the Magic Eraser under the Magic Studio. So once you will click onto the Magic Eraser, you can see a number of options under the Select Area to Erase. So under the Select Area to Erase, you need to move it towards the right, and at the last you can see the text option. So simply click onto the text option, and here you can see that it has automatically detected the text in the photo. So simply click onto the text that you want to remove, and then from here you can see this option that says erase. So simply click onto this erase button, and here you can see that the removing is in progress, and here are the results, and the text has been successfully removed from this photo. So simply close this, and here you can see the final result without the text. So that's how easily you can remove text from any photos in your Canva application. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.